अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 4.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है हमारे पास 9x minus 7 over x plus 3 into x square plus 1. Students, as we know that this is equal to a over x plus 3 plus bx plus c over x square plus 1. Now multiplying both sides by x plus 3 into x square plus 1, we get 9x minus 7 is equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 3. This is equation to, now by taking x plus 3 is equal to 0, we get value of x, which is minus 3. Now put value of x is equal to minus 3 in equation 2. We get value of a, which is minus 17 over 5. Now from equation 2, which is the next minus 7 is equal to x square plus a plus bx square plus 3bx plus cx plus 3c. We get, by taking x square and x common, we get 9x minus 7 is equal to a plus b into x square plus 3b plus c into x plus a plus 3c. Now by comparing coefficients of x square of both sides, we get 0 is equal to a plus b, and we know that a is equal to minus 17 over 5. By solving, we get b is equal to 17 over 5. Now by comparing coefficients of x of both sides, we get 9 is equal to 3b plus c, and we know that b is equal to 17 by 5 put here, and we get value of c, which is minus 6 power 5. Now by putting values of ABC in equation 1, we get 9x minus 7 over x plus 3 into xk plus 1 is equal to minus 17 over 5 into x plus 3 plus 17x minus 6 over 5 into xk plus 1. So question 4 हो चुका है complete. Hopefully आपको समझ आ गया होगा. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.